Posh Lady Jess, the pampered veteran with Perfectly Posh, and today I'm going to talk to you about our Swipe Moisture Tint for lips. So this swipe here is called Red Carpet. It's super buttery, and the great thing about Swipe is you can swipe it once if you want a more subtle look, or you can layer it on and get sassy. So right now I have this and it's a layered on. I am going to take my little wipe here. This is my Bear Doll wipe. Wipe this off so I can just show you guys just how awesome this product is. All right. So we're gonna, boop. So it has it tastes really good. Don't eat it. But it has like a vanilla sugary taste to it. So one swipe. You can swipe once or you can swipe a couple times, or we can get a little bit crazy. Oh yes, luscious lips. And it's super buttery. I love it. It feels so soft on my lips. It does have a ton of pampering ingredients in it. It has apricot kernel oil in it, has coconut oil in it, shea butter. All of those things are so hydrating and moisturizing to your lips. They don't feel greasy. They just feel buttery, smooth, and soft. And it's red. It looks so great. We have a different colors. We have this one, which is called Red Carpet. Well, you guys get the picture. This one's called Red Carpet. We have a peony one, which is like a kind of plumish, purplish color. I also love, I don't know where mine is right now. It makes me a little bit sad. We also have a, oops, no, that one's called Plums Up. Then we have a peony color one, which is like pinkish. And then we have a new one. It's called Flash Dance. It's our nude color. Great for the fall time. If you want some moisture on your lips and you want a little bit of tint as well, like I said, you don't have to put it as much as me. You can just swipe it once and be done, or swipe it thrice and have more fun. That's all. Thank you.